What's up everyone? Welcome to another video, and in this one we're going to do a quick channel update. So up until this point, people have been able to reach me either through YouTube comments or through the Facebook group. But unfortunately, I'm just not able to keep up with the Facebook chat. It's in the beginning it wasn't too bad because there weren't that many comments, but now I'm just not able to. So instead, what I'm going to do is switch over to a Discord server. That way it can be a little bit more collaborative. People can talk amongst the group and get feedback from other people instead of just me providing one-on-one feedback. I did enjoy it while I could, but like I said, it's just too much right now. So I'm hoping this will be more beneficial. People will be able to collaborate and you'll be able to get quicker feedback from others. So yeah, we're gonna try this out and see how it goes. So I've gone ahead and created a few different channels. So one for YOLO, Mascar CNN, Audio Spectrum, TensorFlow install. And as we do more projects, we'll add more channels. So figure we'll add one for the eGPU and other projects as they come. I'm still fairly new to Discord, so yeah, I'm not exactly sure how this works. They're just going to be message chats, so I guess you can just chat and ask questions, and yeah, hopefully we'll get a nice community of people who are able to help each other out. That's the goal. Kind of spread the workload and have everyone contribute. So that's it for the Discord server. I'll be posting a link in the description where you can join, so feel free to join, share, chat, do whatever you like. And yeah, so that's it for the Discord server. Now let's talk about future projects. So what you see here is the Raspberry Pi 3B Plus. So this is the new model. It's got a slightly higher clock speed CPU and the Ethernet speed has been increased. But I went ahead and got one of these, and this is going to be the next series on the channel. So we're going to be doing a project with the Raspberry Pi 3B. I went ahead and ordered a camera, so we're going to try and do some object detection with OpenCV, some sort of deep learning object detection project. Not exactly sure, I just got this thing, but that's the plan. So stay tuned for that series. And if you've got suggestions or seen any cool projects, go ahead, feel free to share them. You know, great opportunity to use the Discord server, or you can always still use the YouTube comments. I'm pretty good about checking those as well. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Besides this new project, I'm still gonna do that install TensorFlow with Linux tutorial. That'll probably be the next video, while I'm also thinking about what I'm gonna do with the Raspberry Pi. I'm also planning to do a follow-up video to Mascar CNN. I've got a lot of requests for people who want to, like, say, take a video, process it with the masks, and then play it back. So instead of doing real time, just process a video, save it to a new file, and display it. So I'm going to be doing that, and then yeah, so those two videos, and then we're going to jump into this Raspberry Pi 3B tutorial series. So yeah, that's it for the updates. Once again, Discord server, Raspberry Pi 3, Linux, TensorFlow install tutorial, and another Mascar CNN video. So stay tuned for that. Thanks again for everyone who's been commenting, liking, subscribing. We've hit like 3,400 subs, so it's pretty awesome to see the channel grow. So let's keep it going. I think you know, big thank you to everyone who's been a part of that. So yeah, thanks guys. Peace.